You're welcome again to another edition of Lead I Follow. My name is Benga Akimuyo. We are delighted that you could join us again today. And we're going to inform you what you need to know to ensure that you have meaningful engagement with your leaders, not just here, but on our platform. Even though members of the judiciary may not seem like having status of being your leaders, this is because judges, by their very nature of responsibility to deliver impartial justice, are not supposed to engage with the public directly. The judiciary is one of the three arms of government, and it is the organ that is responsible for interpreting the laws made by the legislature and adjudicating in situations of disputes. You must recognize that at the federal level, the judicial responsibilities lay in the hands of the superior courts in the land, which consist of the Supreme Court or the Apex Court, the Court of Appeal, the Federal High Court, and the National Industrial Court. At the state level, the judicial responsibilities are in the capable hands of the State High Courts, Sharia Court of Appeal, and the Magistrates' Courts. Whilst at the lowest tier, the local government level, the judicial duties are in the hands of the customary courts, including the Customary Court of Appeal. According to Honorable Justice Kayode Esho, JSC, a judge exists to determine disputes and to examine with due care and microscopic sense all matters before him or her in dispute in the pursuit of justice. He is not there to trap any of the parties or to set in motion what the parties have not brought before him. Most important in the roles of any judge is to be an impartial decision maker in pursuit of justice, whether it relates to disputes between individuals, companies, organizations, governments, or indeed any combination of these parties. One critically fundamental criteria in the dispensation of justice is the impartiality and neutrality of the judge or decision maker. And at that end, it has been held that a foreknowledge, a previous knowledge of the facts of the pending case is something reasonably likely to bias or influence the mind of a judicial officer, a judge, a magistrate, in any particular case. Therefore, judicial officers have a duty to recuse themselves in a matter that he has foreknowledge of the facts of that particular case that is before him. This well-held position in the judicial corridors of government probably explains why judicial officers live a very withdrawn lifestyle and social engaging is highly restricted in order to safeguard their integrity, neutrality, and impartiality. Even in the court complex, judges use separate entrances from the general public and legal practitioners in order to protect the sanctity of their duty. So, for more information on how to engage with judges, just sit back, relax, and please stay tuned to this illuminating series. Not just the judges, but your leaders generally, how you can engage with them. The place to be is Lead I Follow on this eye-opening and rewarding journey. You can also visit our website, of course, at www.leadifollow.com. Or you can call us on our telephone number 080-8358-7955. Or better still, you can find us on any of our social media handles which are displayed on the screen for you now.